Howdy, y'all. I'm Cluck Norris, aka Tristan, and today was a very sad and unfortunate day. Today, we lost the life of a very great man, very heroic man. Someone who has inspired a lot of people and accomplished great things in his life. That man is Chuck Norris. I'm praying for his family and friends. You will be missed. Rest in peace, Chuck Norris.